Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. I'm your teacher, Emma. Before we start, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, maybe grab your favorite drink. Are you ready? Because today we are going to do something amazing, something life-changing, something so powerful. Today we are learning the 7 adjectives you'll use to describe everything. Forever. Yes, only 7. Forget the other 10,000 adjectives. You don't need them. They are just taking up space in the English language, like the chair in your house that only holds laundry. These 7 adjectives are the only ones you need, at least for now. Now, I know what you're thinking. Emma, 7 adjectives? That's it? My English teacher told me I needed 1,000,000 words to sound smart. Well, your English teacher probably also told you that you need to eat your vegetables. And while that's generally good advice, okay, let me ask you a question. Why are adjectives important? Because they make your sentences more interesting. Without them, everything sounds like a robot wrote it. I saw a dog. It is dog. So today, you will get 7 magic words. You can use them to describe anything, a movie, a cat, your life choices, or your dinner last night. We add color to your words. Right now, your sentences are like plain bread. Dry, empty, and sad. But with these adjectives, your words become like pizza. Warm, delicious, and full of hope. So, let's meet our first hero, good. Good means something makes you happy. Simple, small, perfect. You can use it for almost everything. This pizza is good. My day is good. You are good. Say it with me. My friend is good. My teacher is good. I am good. Yes, you are as good as free Wi-Fi in a cafe, and that is very good. Now, the evil twin, bad. The opposite of good. Bad is what happens when you drink orange juice after brushing your teeth. Bad is what Monday feels like. This coffee is bad. My hair is bad. Monday is bad. Say it now. My shoes are bad. The weather is bad. Perfect. Use this word when something makes you cry inside your soul. Next one is big. Oh my God, this one is fun. Big is dramatic. Big makes everything sound important. Big mistake. Big house, big problem. Oof, scary. Say it with me. My phone is big. The tree is big. This problem is big. Now, the opposite one is small. Small is cute. Small is easy. Small is like your hopes after checking your bank account. A small cat. A small cake. A small mistake. Repeat after me. My bag is small. The car is small. This problem is small. Suddenly, life feels easier. Here comes magic one, nice. Oh, this is the magic word for everything. Nice is the word you use when you don't know what to say, but you want to sound positive. If you don't know what to say nice. Your shoes are nice. The weather is nice. This video is nice. Say it now. My teacher is nice. Oh, stop! You make me blush. Next one is funny. Everyone loves funny. Funny makes people smile. The show is funny. My friend is funny. Okay, that one is true. Say it now. The video is funny. The joke is funny. My life is funny. The last one is boring. The enemy of funny. The dark side. The class is boring. This movie is boring. My cousin's long story about his cactus is boring. So boring. Say it now. My day is boring. The book is boring. And now, fall asleep dramatically. Okay, now you have all 7. Good, bad, big, small, nice, funny, boring. Now, here is a trick. These 7 words are like spices. Use them everywhere. These are your new best friends, like 7 little superheroes of language. Use them everywhere. Mix them. Combine them. The big pizza is good. The small cat is funny. The boring movie is bad. Delicious grammar. Now let's do a quick practice. Look around you right now. Find one thing. Anything. A chair, a shoe, a banana. Say one of the 7 words about it. Say it out loud. Loud like you are in a movie. The chair is good. The banana is funny. Yes, correct, because bananas are funny. Now, let's compare. Imagine 2 people. Person A says, the movie is movie. Person B says, the movie is funny. Who sounds better? Person B, of course, because adjectives are like spices. Without them, your English is like plain rice. With them, your English is spicy rice. And everyone loves spicy rice. Except my stomach. Let me tell you why this is powerful. When you speak in real life, you don't have time to search for complicated words. You want fast and easy words. These 7 words are fast. They jump out of your brain like popcorn. Pop, pop, pop. And when you use them again and again, your brain starts thinking in English. That is how fluency grows, like muscles. Small training every day, like a baby learning to walk, or like me learning not to eat an entire pizza alone. Okay, give yourself a big applause. Yes, you are awesome. You're smart. You are funny and definitely not boring. I am proud of you. Seriously, you are doing something difficult and you are making it fun. That is powerful. Now, let's make this more fun. Write 3 new sentences in the comments with these adjectives. Show me your magic. And if you have a friend who always says, "My English is bad," send them this video. Help them be good. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss more ridiculously simple and super effective English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.